Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's lecture topic is Premalignant Diseases. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about the vulval intraepithelial neoplasia. In this section, we will talk about what are the different types of vulval intraepithelial neoplasia and how we diagnose them. What's the histology of vulval intraepithelial neoplasia and Paget's disease. Then in the second section of our lecture, we will talk about vaginal intraepithelial neoplasia. In this, we will talk about what's the pathology, how we diagnose vaginal intraepithelial neoplasia, and what's the management and treatment of vaginal intraepithelial neoplasia. In the third section, we will talk about cervical intraepithelial neoplasia. In this, we will talk about pathogenesis and invasive carcinoma. In this section, we will also talk about disease progression and risk factors for cervical intraepithelial neoplasia, and also what's the life cycle of unstable cervical epithelium. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about HPV or human papillomavirus, what's the pathology, and then we will diagnose about cervical intraepithelial neoplasia and what's the treatment of cervical intraepithelial neoplasia. The human papillomavirus or HPV is the most common causative agent for cervical intraepithelial neoplasia. So that's why we will talk about the cervical neoplasia along with HPV. Then in the final section, we will talk about premalignant endometrial lesion. What's the histology of premalignant endometrial lesion and how we can manage the premalignant endometrial lesion. So all these topics we will discuss in the premalignant diseases. Premalignant means diseases which can ultimately lead to the malignancy. So all these vulvar intraepithelial, vaginal intraepithelial neoplasia and cervical intraepithelial neoplasia can lead to the malignancies of these organs or different female reproductive tract malignancies. So hopefully you are interested to learn more about the premalignant diseases. So keep watching sqadia.com.